Hi, I'm Brianna. I'm a customer of a large machine manufacturer. I'd like to purchase a spare part for my machine, so I log into the machine manufacturer's customer portal to look for parts. From the home page, I see a list of all my purchased assets. I select the machine that I need the spare part for. I notice the service timeline. This gives me guidance to plan for my machine's next service. This information comes from the service plans managed in Teamcenter. This helps me plan ahead for the spare parts and resources that I'll need for upcoming service requirements. Using IoT technology, I have visibility to my machine usage data. IoT alerts are connected to fault code management capabilities in Teamcenter. This ensures that I'm alerted in real time to my machine service needs. Now that I understand my spare part needs, the next step is to create the order. For this, I go to the Spare Part tab. I can search for parts using the search engine, and the results are filtered for my specific machine. I can also leverage 3D visuals to navigate through my machine to see the spare part that I'm looking for. Each part that I select is highlighted in the part list. From here, I can simply add my selection to the cart to order or request a quote. Based on my specific machine, I see part recommendations. This helps me be proactive in ordering parts that I'll soon need. Our technician can use the portal to refer to the installation instructions for the spare part on the Technical Documents tab. The same instructions can be found on the Technician app. These instructions are authored and managed in Teamcenter. The service instructions can be previewed and can be viewed as an interactive document with 3D visuals and animations. This is very useful and makes it easy to understand how to replace the part. Once the parts have been replaced, the technician can very easily keep track of this update by capturing changes on the As Maintained BOM under the Configuration tab. This is the digital twin of my asset. Having the ability to easily order new parts for my machine and understand when service is needed really makes my life easier. The customer portal enables me to keep my machines operating at their highest performance without wasting time. Since implementing this new customer portal, the machine manufacturer has seen a significant increase in their spare part sales, along with a reduction in returns and a boost in customer satisfaction.